baby gender กับอีจังเทิก one two three
Hello, Peng family. I'm your uncle. Napate kasi welcome on November Nali kahen nunapasig ang Thailand. Welcome.
Hello, kay Baju ni kasi ani ding atu baby arak chok ding mi te ani ding kasi kang ki hibulu si cha fa pa si zonga fanu si zonga alai pa mu pakhan thachwa si cha kanin tham kau jun nu navasi back pa navasi back kanin welcome kanin dot.
Hey guys, team boy man and team girl. Team girls. Okay, are you guys excited to meet the baby?
yes hi Sansan nu masangha patin na zoom nang
Kay chapa baksala kata.
are you excited
Kada to sing cho ka tha thar di ka ruat de.
okay
Atu jak ka tha thar sa e.
yeah okay
Hi, baby Peng. I think the baby is gonna be a boy.
Hi, baby Peng. I think you're gonna be a girl.
Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Hi Vyakta.
Hi.
Do you think it will be a boy or girl?
Boy.
Boy?
Yeah.
Why?
Because a lot of boys in his generation. Yan cha, boy pa niya. Baksong nakapek mit sama kanilom. Pati zong he kan tu kau. Nu zong kan tu kau. Sna pa sila hi ka zoom de kau.
Hi Bochin.
Hi.
Numan asala pa na Zoom. Nu asalai. Excited ma?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Nunta. Do you think it will be a boy or girl?
I think it's gonna be a boy.
Are you excited?
Yes.
hi Anhin pa masala nu tin na zoom no okay.
Hi John.
Okay.
Do you think the baby will be a boy or girl?
Macho team girl kasala.
Uh-huh.
Very specific team girl lang kasabela.
Okay. Are you excited?
No, but
Why not?
team girl.
Baby na tuwalay te kani ngay tuk na muimu kani ngay tuk nang matu boy na sila te kani tiye patiyam te ako pao kani lokaw ane kala.
Hello. Baby teka numa sila tinazumpa.
Sila ti ka zoom ko lo ka
Hello ko tinazumpa. Numa sila tinazumpa.
Boy.
Boy box sila tinazum. 100%.
hey guys Zaitin nu masangha pat nan rwa
Ini hai kan baby te hai. Nunggu sila pas sila kan ngek tak pe itu hai. Khazam kan cem wa la. Tu tindak kan kes ha.
Kay he pass me let ko.
Kay hai 50-50 bakse.
50-50
Yeah, 50-50 bakse.
that's not fair Tatin na chim ha
50-50 bakse.
okay
Kay ka baby and mommy say.
have you guys decided on a name yet
Yes, but it's a surprise. After we know the gender, they can shoot it.
okay thank you